You ever seen something that looks so expensive, right? So all these things you see on the internet that look so expensive and so hard to make and so out of reach, but if you just take the time, right? If you just take the time and the skills, and just do a little research, you'll realize like most of these things that look so hard to make and so out of reach and so expensive is actually so easy to do and so easy to reach, just like this one. Crazy Chef, big vibe, big, big vibe. Look at that. Easy, easy